Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Honda Civic. It's got the problem with the mass airflow sensor, and when we did the diagnostic it came out with fault code P0101 and P0102. What we decided is that before we replace the mass airflow with the new one, we're going to give it a good clean with electrical contact cleaner spray, which is just here. So that's the spray we're going to use. So the location for the mass airflow sensor is just above on top of the air filter lid, just here. So what we're gonna do is before we undo two screws, so it's secured by two Phillips screws. So before we undo the screws, we're just gonna disconnect this harness connector. So just gonna put the connector on the side, and so just gonna undo these two Phillips screws. There we go. So that's one, and then one here. Okay. So that's both of the screws. Just gonna pull it out. So this is the mass airflow sensor itself. So just gonna place it into this container, and gonna give it a good clean. Also I'm gonna spray inside the slot where the connector goes in. And also into the slot here. Perfect. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna leave it for the sensor to dry. There we go. So now that the sensor is fully dried up, so just gonna insert it back in. So the way it goes in is like this, just like that. So two screws, just gonna tighten the screws. That's the one at the back I'm tightening now. There we go, nice and tight. So the both screws are fully secured. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the connector. I'm gonna spray a little bit contact cleaner inside here. Again, you let it dry for a bit. There we go. So just gonna insert the connector harness back into the mass airflow sensor. So hopefully we're gonna get better results by cleaning this sensor. There we go friends, job done. I hope this video is gonna help you solve the problem with your car. So whenever you have the issue with the mass airflow sensor, best to just clean it instead of buying a new one. So the first attempt should always be to clean the old one, and if you can recover it, well and good. If not, then second option should be to buy a new one. Hopefully it will help you out. Thank you for watching the video.